honor it is to be here on this historic occasion, the dedication of a brand new offering to Disney Vacation Club.
Welcome home to your home away from home, where magic never ends, with family and friends, making memories so strong.
We'd like to invite some of our incredible cast members to join us.